what happened, everyone? It looks like you walked into Slime City. I've never been here before. What do you think, Donald? What's gonna happen? I don't know, Chase, but I feel pretty confident. I don't know. What's that? Ah, we've been slimed! Blue slime, I can't believe it! Oh, it's so sticky and slimy. Oh, we gotta get out! Ugh. I guess that's why they call it Slime City. Let's get out of here!
Gee, Rocky, thanks for inviting me out here.
No problem, Goofy. I needed a hand.
That's awesome. What kind of things are we gonna do here?
Well, it's Slime City, so there's lots of recycling to do. Here's a recycling truck right now.
Great, let's open it up and see what we're dealing with here. Whoa, whoa, gee golly gosh! Oh, Rocky!
That recycling truck dumped green sand all over us, Goofy. I can't believe it.
Ugh, Slime City.
Hi, Mickey. Hi, Minnie. How you doing? It's so good to see you. Where is everyone? What's that? No! I did not see that coming, Minnie. I am so sorry you got slime. Not again. Oh no, Mickey, blue slime this time. Well, this is just terrible. Hi, what's with all the glitter around here? I thought Slime City was supposed to be slimy, not glittery. Uh-oh. Green slime. No. Oh. Bluey, you're not blue anymore. We should call you Greeny. Haha, good one, Bingo. Hey guys, Rebel on the double. Looks like you could use a hand. Uh-oh. What's that? No, not red slime. I guess I'll need the saving instead of making the saving. Oh boy, Rubble, you got stuck too. Hi guys, I need help. Oh, we've been slimed.
Guys, we better go before we get slimed. Uh-oh.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe.